Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be talking about the best 3D printer for making shoes. The output of this type of printer can give you the perfect design for any shoe imaginable, from casual sneakers to dress shoes. This 3D printer is also for users who want shoes that look unique and that will stand out in the crowd. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today, we'll review some of the best 3D printers that will help you make the perfect shoes. To help you out, we've listed a few of the top printers that you should consider for making shoes. Each 3D printer is designed to produce exceptional quality and is perfect for creating any type of shoe. These 3D printers are used in any condition and are perfect for shoes that require great detail and accuracy. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is ELEGOO Saturn 2 MSLA 3D printer. Step into the future of shoemaking with the ultimate tool for creative craftsmanship, the ELEGOO Saturn 2 MSLA 3D printer. Imagine an expansive 10-inch canvas that brings your wildest shoe designs to life, with a larger-than-life resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels, rendering every intricate detail like never before. Craft with precision, as the ultra-fine XY resolution of 28.5 microns ensures impeccable accuracy in every layer. Gone are the days of endless waiting, as this marvel's lightning-fast cure time of 1 to 3 seconds per layer ignites your creativity. Thanks to the Fresnel collimating light source, 48 UV LED lights team up with a free-form surface COB lens, delivering a dazzling uniform beam at 405 nanometers wavelength. Don't just dream it, print it! The ELEGOO Saturn 2 is your shoe design haven, boasting a generous build volume of 219 by 123 by 250 millimeters. Whether you're creating a grand masterpiece or a collection of more miniature wonders, this printer's got your back. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.